Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and hi Sadeti. How are you? I hope you guys fine. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nuri and I'm from 9A from Junior High School Harapan 1 Medan. Today, I'm back again with the assignment from Sir Dedi about descriptive text. Now, I'm going to tell you about the inventor of zero and algebra. Do you know the number zero? Zero is a number and a digit is used to represent numbers and numbers. The zero plays an important role in mathematics as an additional identity for integers, real numbers, and other algebraic structures. As a number, zero is used as the place value system. If algebra is one part of a broad field of mathematics, together with number theory, geometry, and analysis. In its most common form, algebra is study of mathematical symbols and the rules for manipulating these symbols. In addition, algebra also includes everything from the basic. Algebra is the study of mathematical symbols and rules for manipulating many systems. These symbols, algebra is the unifying of almost all fields of mathematics, of solving equations to study abstraction such as groups, arenas, and fields. More and more, the basic part of algebra are called elementary algebra, while the more abstract parts of algebra are called abstract algebra or modern algebra. Elementary algebra is generally considered important for any study of mathematics, science, or engineering, as well as application in health and economics. Abstract algebra is a major topic in advanced mathematics, which is studied mainly by professionals and mathematicians. And that's all is covered by Khawarizmi. Yes, he was found zero and algebra. He was a Persian Muslim named Muhammad bin Musa al-Khawarizmi. I choose him because I love mathematics, and he is the inventor of algebra and number zero. He is a mathematician, astronomer, astrologist, and a geographer. His life was spent cultivating his works, especially in science. The greatness of Al-Khawarizmi has been recognized by the Islamic world and the West with a variety of his works. He was born around 780 and in Khawarizmi, or now recognized as Khiva, Uzbekistan. There are several persons of his birth. Some say in Bukhara and some say in Khawarizmi, one of the provinces in Uzbekistan. There are no sources that explain the detail about the life history of Al-Khawarizmi. It is estimated that Al-Khawarizmi lived around the beginning of the middle of 9th century and the beginning. Another source confirmed that he lived in Khawarizmi, Uzbekistan in 194 Hijriah or 780 and died in 260 Hijriah or 850 Masehi in Baghdad, Iraq. In addition, dedicating himself in the field of science, he is also an active person in education. He was a lecturer at the Baghdad Honorary School, Iraq. Many science figures acknowledge Khawarizmi as a smart scientist. One of them was George Starton, who said that the highest achievement of Eastern people was achieved by Al-Khawarizmi. Until now, his work will never be forgotten. Many things that he found which certainly benefit humanity. One of the most famous is algebra. Algebra is a material that is widely studied throughout the world. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that studied problem solving using symbols instead of constants and variables. Algebra itself comes from the word aljabar, which means completion. Aljabar is widely used in the world and become one of the materials that must be taught in schools. In addition to algebra, he also discovered the science of astronomy, which is the science of stars, which involve the study of position, movement, and thought, and interpretation related to stars. He also wrote a book, astronomy, called Zij al-Sindin, Astronomical Tables. Zij al-Sindin is a book that contains 37 symbols on astronomical calendar calculations and 116 tables with calendar astrological data. Another version in Latin still survives, immortalized by a Spanish astronomer named Maslamah al-Majriti, also translated by Adelard of Bath. Not yet finished in the field of astronomy, he is also the inventor of the term algorithm. Understanding the algorithm itself is the logical steps regarding problem solving that are arranged systematically and logically. The algorithm we often use in everyday life and is a very influential science in the computer field. Algorithms are compulsory subjects that form the basis of making computer programs. In his lifetime, Al-Khawarizmi also made various works including Al-Kitab Al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab Al-Jabr wa Al-Muqabala, which is a book that contains a summary of calculation, weighing, and equipment, or contains a summary of calculation, weighing, and equipment. Contains a summary of the basics of algebra. Next is book of Al-Jam'ah wal Tafriq Bihisab Al-Hind or Dixit Al-Khawarizmi, which is a book that contains estimates and summations based on the Hindu calculation system. And the book of Surah Al-Ard is a book that contains the reconstruction of the planetarium and various other works. Maybe that's it all I know about Al-Khawarizmi. I hope you will forgive me if I have a mistake of saying words. If you watch this video from the beginning to ending, hopefully there will be more knowledge you know. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.